Hello everyone, this is Tinu. Welcome to this episode of Taste with Tinu. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe of spinach rice. It's very simple, very easy and delicious. So let's get started. So for the spinach rice, 2 cups of rice soaked for about 2 hours, half a cup of green beans, 1 cup of green peas which I have already boiled, 1 medium onion cut small, 3 tablespoons of green chutney, 2 teaspoons of salt, some cilantro and 2 cups of spinach. Now spinach, I blanched the spinach and put it in a blender. While blending it, I added about half a teaspoon of salt to the spinach. I've also added salt to the rice which I cooked separately. Very little, half a teaspoon of salt to the rice too. So you cook the rice separately, you boil the green peas, you blanch the spinach, and let's get started. We take a pan, we add about 2 tablespoons of oil. You don't need too much oil in this. We'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We will add the onions to this. Saute it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll add the green beans to this. You can even blanch the green beans if you like to. I like it a little crispy, so I will saute it only for about 3 minutes. Stays nice and crispy. You don't want it soft. And if you can see how I have cut it, I've cut it in a slant. You know, this gives a nice look to the green rice, and you would like to eat this kind of cut beans, right? Yeah, so try to cut it this way. The beans are done. We are going to add the green peas to this, which are already blanched. Or rather boiled. They are boiled. Saute this for 2 minutes. So while this gets sauteed for 2 minutes, yes, you know, it's time for a song. It's going to be a very, very old song, but a very famous song. Yeah, let's get started. एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह. हाँ, एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह. और जो तन मन में हो रहा है, ये तो होना ही था, ये तो होना ही था. The peas are done. Now we are going to add the green chutney. Remember, I shared this recipe with you, but I will go with you once again for this chutney recipe. And if you remember, I said in my video that I have a lot of recipes with this chutney. Let me go over with you again. You take 8 of these Thai chilies, the spicy chilies. You take 12 to 15 garlic pods, depends on the size of the garlic pods. You take 3 cups of cut cilantro. you take 1 cup of cut spinach and salt according to taste. Normally it will be 1 tablespoon, but then it depends on your taste. You grind all this together and you get this lovely, amazing green chutney. Everything has a little salt in there, so we won't be adding much salt to this rice. So I just have 2 teaspoons of salt, but again salt depends on your taste, so accordingly you will add salt. Stir it well. Now we shall add the spinach, the blanched spinach. It need not be finely blended. You can leave it a little rough. That's okay. Cook all this on medium flame, not too low, not too high. See that the spinach blends well with all the vegetables. See the color, doesn't it look good? Smells also so good. After the spinach blends well with everything, we're going to add the rice. This is 2 cups of cooked rice, but I haven't cooked it completely. Cook it 80% so that when you mix it with this, it doesn't break and it will cook with this. So it's fine, don't need to cook it all the way through. Shall I add the rest of the rice now? See how easy and simple it is? And trust me, this tastes just delicious. You can have it with raita, you can have it with curry, or just plain yogurt, or just by itself. It's yummy-licious. So our rice is ready. Let's serve it. So the rice is ready and served. You can serve it with papad too. And as I said, you can eat it with raita, with curry, with plain yogurt, or just by itself with papad. There was one more thing. I tasted the rice and I had said 3 tablespoons of the chutney, but you actually need 4 tablespoons of the chutney. It will taste better if you have more chutney in this. So please add 4 tablespoons of chutney, okay? Thank you for watching this show. Hope you enjoyed it. I will be waiting for your feedback. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and see you in my next episode of Taste with Tinu.